So this is for anybody that has a Ninja 400, or doesn't really matter what bike really. If you want to use a dB killer with your exhaust, but it's too quiet, which is the problem I have, but without the dB killer completely, I believe it's just a little too loud. So I am going to modify this dB killer here. I'm going to, let's see here. I'm going to cut it, shorten it, and then probably drill 2 to 4 holes here, cross holes, and see if I find a good middle ground between super loud and super quiet. And yeah, see how it goes. Alright, so cut it shorter, cut 2 little holes in it, and of course I'm gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, I will drill those holes bigger, or if I completely messed it up, I'll just order another one of these. So yeah, do a sound check. Alright, see if I got close to that middle ground I was looking for. This is a cold start. It's definitely louder than before I modified it, but quieter than with it completely out. It is very loud when it's out completely. There we are. I should have did it before and after, but I did not. So I take my word on it. It's an improvement.